a força do amor mais puro e sincero nascer em seus corações e em suas almas. E em clima de festa, nos reunimos hoje para agradecer a Deus todas as graças recebidas, que a luz divina ilumina e abençoe este casal, que hoje celebra o maior sonho de suas vidas, o matrimônio. Queremos realmente conscientizar-nos que Deus cumula de bênçãos àqueles que lhe são fiéis, que em seu lar nunca lhes falta compreensão, diálogo, respeito mútuo e fé. Assim, certamente juntos e amando-se acima de tudo, construirão uma família feliz, que crescerá e dará bons frutos, pois todo lar construído em base sólida jamais se destruirá.
Summer rain is passing over, and it feels like a dream. I could run and look for shelter, but you hold on to me. I'm under your skies. I'm caught in your eyes. Don't you know you stopped the room? And all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. There's so much that I have told you, but it's all in my head. Ask me anything you want to, 'cause the answer is yes. I'll spend my whole life just being caught up in your eyes. Oh. Don't you know you stopped the room? And all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask, can we make this moment last? So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask, can we make this moment last? Moment last.
You know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the wall. I know none of them are stuck yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights, I'm changing. My mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you up, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. There's so many ways this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time. We were California dreaming, our whole life fit in that car. Didn't have a bed to sleep in, we kept each other warm under a ceiling full of stars.